Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be showing you how to fly your elytra in creative mode and survival mode with the fireworks. Fly your elytra with the fireworks. So in creative mode, even though you don't want to get on top of any structure, just press this, just go up in creative mode, and now you need to do, now see this up and down in the middle, right? So down, up, what? No, like down, up. Then hold the screen, it will launch fireworks directly from there. Talking about survival mode, just gather any block and get on top any structure, which I'm doing right now. Pretend it's survival mode for me. So imagine if you're in survival mode, wanted to fly your elytra if you already got it from the indoor city. So just climb it up here. Alright, this is a wrong block. 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. Okay, so imagine if you're in survival mode, then you just want to get across. Just go on top of any structure. So there we are. Just on top of any tree. Break these bushes if you're wanting some extra stamina in your hand. And now just put your fireworks. Sprint, jump. No, 1 second. Here's the revisement. Sprint, jump. Hold the screen. Yalla, you're in the sky. I hope this guide helps. Bye, guys.